Quicksilver miter saw and roller extension tables, industrial quality accessories. Quicksilver freestanding miter saw tables. Quicksilver miter saw tables are available in both roller style and solid top models. The Quicksilver miter saw table can adjust for saws with base heights between 2 3/4 and 5.5 inches. 4-point leveling system of the Quicksilver tables allows precise saw alignment to the table surface. Both in-feed and out-feed tables adjust to match the width of your saw perfectly. With a saw base width range of 17 inches to 27.5 inches, virtually any saw can be mounted on a Quicksilver miter saw table. Standard Quicksilver roller tables feature combination solid and roller table design. Tables are available in any left-hand and right-hand combination of standard fence lengths. Roller table models are available in combinations of 4, 6.5, 8.5, and 11.5 foot lengths. Solid top models are available in combinations of 4, 6.5, and 8.5 foot lengths. Quicksilver bench mount miter saw tables. The bench mount Quicksilver table shares many of the same features that the freestanding model offers. Mounting brackets adjust to fit saws with base heights between 2 15/16 and 5 3/8 inches. Roller table models are available in combinations of 4, 6.5, 8.5, and 11.5 foot lengths. Solid top models are available in combinations of 4, 6.5, and 8.5 foot lengths. All Quicksilver miter saw tables include the J.A. Dawley Manufacturing Company's glide stop. Quicksilver roller extension tables. Tables are available in both freestanding and bench mount models. Tables are available in 4, 6.5, 8.5, and 11.5 foot lengths. 5 table widths are available: 8, 11, 14, 20, and 26 inches wide. Tables are equipped with 1 3/8 inch diameter galvanized rollers spaced on 6-inch centers. Standard table height of the freestanding models adjusts from 32 3/4 inches to 44 3/4 inches. The Glide Stop GS2 fence is standard on all Quicksilver roller extension tables. The Glide Stop and accessories are sold separately. The Quicksilver Universal Connector Kit makes mounting of the extension tables to a wide variety of machines easy. The mounting arms of the Universal Connector Kit move in and out as well as rotate 360 degrees for optimum attaching positions.